Welcome to the YouTube channel Message of the Chart. We are seeing a series of momentum stocks videos. This is the fourth in this series. Here, normally we used to select the stocks having higher weekly volume over the last 20 weeks average volume. But this time in this video, I have made a slight modification because already in this month 4 weekly options expiry has been completed. This month is a 5-week month for the purpose of weekly options. So as already 4 weeks are completed, I have considered the monthly volume to filter out the stocks having the higher volume. Otherwise, nearer to the 52 weeks high is same as usual. So we will go through one after the other all the shares which are having the higher monthly volume over the 20 months average volume. Please note, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell. Just we are filtering out the stocks, and as per individual risk profile, the viewers has to decide the trading decision, take the trading decision. Financials and the business is not considered here, only the technical chart is being analyzed here. Not as per any preference, just we are going through the stocks. The first one we are seeing is Alicon Castor Oil Limited. This is weekly chart. The reason why we are considering this stock in this video is this higher volume here. Very good higher volume is observed here, higher than whatever available in the vicinity. So it has a broken out from this important level of around 756, 757 level. From January 18, this high was not breached. So after January 18, this is the first time it has been breached with a very good volume. So this can be added in the watch list, and a trading decision may be taken as per individual trader's risk profile. The next one is Aspinwall and Company. Here if you see, very good high volume is observed in this current week. It has broken out a very good level of almost, you can say, from this August 2018 level. After August 2018, this level is breached right now, around 256 level. So now after having this high volume, it may take a small correction and then it may start moving up again. In fact, if you see the daily chart, we may have a picture where the small correction might have already commenced. We will shift to the focus to the daily chart. Yes, in the daily chart, if you see, after a very good high volume green candle, we are seeing a red candle, which is a small correction. So this correction may extend for 1 or 2 days more, or depending on the sentiment, in a very short one day itself also the correction may be over. That we have to wait and watch. This can be added on the watch list, and whenever this previous high level of the high green candle volume, high volume green candle, we may enter this stock to get a good benefit in the long run. This is because if you see the weekly chart, you will understand the potential. The all-time high is almost near 576, 580 level. So it is having a very good potential. It may not directly go from this level to the all-time high. In between, in this zone, it may spend some time, consolidate, take a minor correction. So one can enter here, partially book profit at this level of 390 levels, and again re-enter once this level is breaking out to get the full benefit of testing of the previous high level of 570, 580 levels. So this may be added in the watch list and noted for trading in future days to come. The next one is Banaras Beads. One can see a very good high volume for consecutive 2 weeks. The gone week and the previous week also very good high volume. So it is breaking out from a very good level, and to me this seems to be a formation of a inverted head and shoulders in the long run. If my assumption is correct, after reaching about this level, this may be one left side shoulder, this may be the head, and the right shoulder may form. In that case, it is only assumption. Till the formation is made, we cannot assume anything. But it seems in the long run, it may do so. In which case, if there is a correction here, one can enter and reap very good benefits. The all-time high so far for this stock is around 108 level, and currently it is in 84 level. And as consecutive 2 weeks with high volume green candle is formed, definitely a small correction will be following. The correction may be used to enter. I expect the correction to be up to 68 level or something. All the earlier swing high that may be tested again, 68, 69 level. Then it will go up again. This may be added in the watch list for trading in the coming days. Next one is the Force Motors. Very good high volume candles are seen here. Green candles are seen here. And the just gone week has seen a correction, small correction. So once the correction is over, it may start to move up again. As the data available in this weekly chart is less, we will switch to daily chart to have a look at the picture. Yes, if you see, after a good volume, some correction is taking place. The correction is almost over as the charts indicates. Even if it continue, it may not continue for too long. So one can start accumulating right from now, and on further dips it may be added more. Since the volume of the green candles are higher here, definitely there is scope for a good up move here. If we see the all-time high, we will switch back to weekly. Recently only the all-time high is made 1700 levels. Now it is in 1466. So now onwards we can start accumulating on every dip can be used to add more. So definitely this high will be tested and it may be breached also. All the new entrants of the stock markets are showing almost a similar pattern. A good down move and then slowly coming back and testing the level. Again it has taken some rest and then again it started breaching the previous high level. So this is having a very good scope of moving up. So this is a must one in the watch list for every active trader. As per the risk profile, one can keep the position sizing and trade this as well. The next one in our list today is Indo National Limited. The symbol for this is Nippo Battery. I haven't gone through the business cycle, business profile and other things, but as per the chart, we have selected this chart due to this high green candle with a high volume. So to know the previous high for this stock, we will switch to monthly for a while. Yes, if you see the monthly chart, we are coming to know that as much as 1450 level is the high, all-time high so far. Again, I will switch to weekly chart. Now, current price is 1105 level. So definitely because of these two high volume green candle, there is a scope for a small correction here. Already some correction might have happened also. We will switch to daily chart to know that. Switching to daily chart, yes, if you see the guess is correct. It has already given some correction and started going up again. So definitely this is a good one to enter right now, and on every dips it may be added. It may retest its all-time high, which is around 1700 level as we have seen just now. So this is a must one in the watch list of all the active traders. Now we will move on to the next one. The next one is from textile sector, which is performing well nowadays. If you see, very good high volume green candle is formed. After that a small correction also has taken place. Now presently it is after breaching the level almost from June 2018 levels of around 172 level. It is almost at the same level now. After making a breakout, it has retested as per the weekly chart. We will have a quick look at the daily chart to understand the correction pattern. Yes, it can take a very good correction now, but there are two gaps here. This gap is almost filled. This gap is not filled. We cannot expect the gap compulsorily to be filled, but there are many traders who believe that all the gaps will ultimately get filled. So there is a possibility of filling this gap by a long wick. That possibility cannot be ruled out. So one can add in very small quantity, and on every dip, if the dip comes up to 140 level, we may add more to reap the benefit. Why this is preferred to be in the long list is, the reason for this being considered is the high volume. If we see the all-time high, we will just switch to monthly to know that it is almost 766. The whole picture will be visible clearly if you have a look at the monthly chart. This is the all-time high. It has gone down. Distribution done again. Again it has gone down. Now with good volume, it has started moving up. This good volume is becoming significant because this is the highest in the whole life of this chart. So this with a very good volume, it has broken out, and it has done retest also. It is exactly at the retest level. So one can add right now in a little quantity, and keeping it in watch list and monitoring the daily movement, one can decide the further additions. So it may visit, not definite guaranteed one, up to 140 level. So little quantity can be entered here, and as it move up to 140, if at all it moves, every dip may be used to add. This way we will be able to use the full advantage of this, because the all-time high is very good. Again, I am remembering you, the all-time high is almost 760 levels. So this is a must one for all the traders to keep this in watch list. The next one is from realty sector, RPP Infra. Very good high volume for the last 2 weeks, green candle, high volume. But some correction has already taken place as per this. To understand the correction, we will go to the daily chart. Yes, correction is right now going on. Here is a small gap. So this gap may be filled. So in small quantity we can add and wait if it goes to fill the gap. If it fills the gap, it may visit up to 81 level. It may be added up to this level, and while it is coming back, it will offer a very good return because the all-time high is very good. We will go to the monthly chart to know the all-time high. It is as high as 360 plus levels. 360 levels. Now it is in 90s. So if at all further correction comes, it may go up to 81 levels. So the traders with the experience will know that when I am going to get around 360, whether I am entering in 90 or 80 doesn't make any difference. But a small retail people will think, instead of 90, instead of 80, why I should pay 90 rupees, 10 rupees more. Sometimes it may not visit the 80 and it may move further also. That is why always we are recommending to, if at all we are deciding to buy, we can buy a little quantity here, and then on dips we can add in. That way we will not be missing the movement, bigger movement if at all it moves from here itself, and we will be able to add further if it is falling further. So this is a very good chart as giving the opportunity for long players. Here good volume action is observed here in this zone. So it has gone up and it is just taking a minor correction also. The all-time high for this is around 140 levels. If we go to the daily, we will be able to understand the corrections. Yeah, it is comparatively high volatile stock, but still the formation in the chart is a rounding bottom. It will definitely go up further, but the volatility levels will be higher. So in such stocks, we can keep GTT order. Those who are having the Zerodha may keep the GTT order at important levels, and it may pick up and immediately it may be covered because the wicks are long. For example, if you see this, the wicks has gone up to this level. On that particular, this is daily chart only. In this particular day, if you see, the low is 73, high is 83. So if we are keeping the GTT order to pick up the stocks at lower levels, we may be lucky enough to pick them up. In highly volatile stocks, that will give better returns to the traders. Next one is Steel City Securities. If we see here, very good volume is observed, but it is in red. But you can see it has gone up to around 98 levels, and now it is in 77. Within the week, very high volatility is observed here. The previous all-time high of this around 68.75 is breached comfortably, and then it is now retracing, taking a correction also. We will go to this daily chart to understand the correction. Yes, if you see after reaching the high, it is now on correction mode. The correction may continue, maybe, not definitely, maybe up to 69 levels or something. So one can wait because it is highly volatile right now, this especially this recent high volume week. We may just wait for a little and try to add it around 69 levels. Those who are having sufficient capital can enter very little quantity to keep them in our portfolio so that the watching will be better. Having so many items in the watch list may sometimes lead to miss out something. So entering in a very small quantity will help us to monitor in a more comfortable way. That way this may be considered in the watch list for going long by traders. The last one in this video is Exchanging Solutions, which has made a very good high volume green candle here. It has made a high of almost 140 level. Now presently in 130, but I expect some correction here because this is the week having the high volume green candle. So in 1 or 2 weeks, or at least for one more week, it may be in correction, but already some correction has commenced, it seems. The correction may come to test the previous resistance level of around 98. So 96, 98 is the previous resistance level. If at all it visits to retest this previous resistance level and confirm this as a support level now, it will be very good opportunity to enter. To understand the correction, we will quickly visit to the daily chart. Yes, the correction has commenced right now. It may go down further. How long it will go down, whether it will go up to 96, 98 level, nobody can answer. But once it is the downtrend is continuing, we can watch this, and the moment it starts moving out from after making a swing low, if it starts moving up, one can enter. So because it is near the all-time high now, so we can wait for some more correction and then we can enter. So these are the stocks we have considered this week. Hope this video is of some help to you. With similar such videos, we will meet once again in the next video. Till then,